Well, hello there. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So today I'm going to be making some crab stuffed shrimp. And these are some of the ingredients that I'll be using. So hopefully I can get this video out today. I'm shooting for it to get it out today. So y'all come on in and let's get started on this dish. I cleaned my shrimp already. So, I'm making the crab stuff shrimp. So, I already don't clean them and cut them in half. So, I'm just going to go ahead and season them, put some of this extra virgin oil over it, some of this Texas Cajun, some of this adobo, and I'm going to use a little of the um, Obey. And that's about it. That's all I'm going to put on the shrimp because the crab stuffing needs to be seasoned also. And then since I do use breadcrumbs, but I don't have any. I just made some crackers. So as you see, they're already seasoned. So we don't need all of that much seasoning. So that's why I'm not going to necessarily season down on the shrimp, but I'm good right there for the shrimp and just give this a toss. And then we'll move on to the crab stuffing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the stuffing. We're using some mayonnaise here, some honey Dijon mustard, and some people use regular mustard or either they just use that Grey Poupon. I'm gonna use the honey Dijon mustard, and I'm gonna use the Texas Pete hot sauce. And the seasoning is the lemon pepper, some Tony, some red jalapeno garlic. It's got to have that garlic. So, and because this is already hot, that's it. And I'm gonna put my crackers in there once I see how this tastes. If I'm fine with this, or if I need to add any seasoning to it, because that's why I'm not gonna add my crab in there just yet. Because if this is awful, at least I can start over. But once I add that crab in there, if this is nasty, uh, I am just messed up. Then Father's Day ain't gonna be the same. So yeah, just give that a stir. Make sure that is okay before you add your crab to it. See if it's seasoned the way that you want it to be seasoned. So let me get a spoon and taste it. See if it's where I want it to be. Let me add these crackers in here. And like I said before, I made my own crackers. So I'm just going to crumble some of these up in here. And remember that they already seasoned. So you got your shrimp season, you got your sauce season. So it's a lot of salt. And I know I'm gonna need more crackers, but I'm concerned about the seasoning, how it tastes right now before I do that. So let me get another spoon. I want to double dip. Okay, that's cool. I can start adding my crab to it and a little bit more crackers. Okay, y'all, I cut me up some basil. Remember, I said you own the dish. I seen the recipe, but I'm gonna add my own little spin to it, the same way that you can do it, because it didn't tell me to put any basil in here or any vegetables, but I want to put that in there. So I roasted me some bell pepper and some green onion and added that to this. And I'm just gonna see how everything tastes before I add my crab to it. So I'm going to squeeze a little lemon in there. That's enough. And just give it a taste, see how that tastes before I add my crab to it. So always remember, this your dish. Do what you want to do. There's no right or wrong way. So now we're going to start adding the crab meat to it. And we're going to gently kind of fold this in there until it's all coated, and it should look something like this. And so we have our shrimp, and this is the part that we are going to lay flat, and we're going to stuff this here part right here. Wonder, should I? Let's see how this is going to work first. And it should look something like that. And we're going to put that on our dish. And we're going to keep on going. So this is what the crab stuff shrimp is looking like. And so it's getting ready to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. I have my oven on 420. So I'm just going to brush it with a little butter. Okay, y'all, it is all done. So we just going to put a little bit more of this good old butter on it. And if y'all wondering what the green thing is, those are chives. Okay, I'm gonna take me about two of these out of here and let it cool off and give it a taste. See what we're working with. Okay, y'all, here is the final dish, and they turned out fantastic. I mean, they are delicious. I would eat one on camera right now, but it's gonna get caught up in my braces and it's gonna look crazy. So thank y'all for joining me. I hope y'all try this recipe. It was fabulous. At least that's what he said for Father's Day. It was fabulous. So see y'all in the next video.